Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera shot suggestions on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the camera app. Then in here, tap on the settings icon at the top left corner. Next, go down and tap on shot suggestions. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can get on-screen guides to help you line up great shots. So now tap on the back key to go back to your camera. You can see that there is a circle right here. If you are pointing at a landscape or an object, it will tell you where to line up. So you need to line up the empty circle with a solid circle on your camera right here. So let me try to bring up that solid circle. So here I've got a pictures, and what you want to do is you want to align that empty circle with that solid circle. So once it match up, you can see it will flash, saying that you now have a perfect shot. So this one works better if you are trying to take a landscape view instead of a close-up object. And here you can see there is an empty circle and a solid circle, so we need to align them up. Once you have aligned them up, you can then take the shot. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off camera shot suggestions on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.